If you use NotebookLM with a free Google account, you'll have noticed that you get presented with this list of featured notebooks every time you go to the home page, and you probably don't find them particularly useful. NotebookLM doesn't give you the option to turn off that list of featured notebooks, but you can get rid of them using nothing more than an ad blocker. I'm using AdBlock for Chrome, and all I need to do is right-click on my NotebookLM window, go to my AdBlock menu, and choose Hide Something on this page. It's asking me to click on an item on this page I'd like to hide, so I'll go over one of the featured notebooks. It's now asking me, is the item hidden? Yes, it is, but I want to get rid of all the featured notebooks. So I'll drag the slider. And there we go. At that point, all the featured notebooks have disappeared. So I click, looks good. And it's going to add a rule to my settings, which I'm okay with. Now, whenever I refresh the NotebookLM homepage, I don't get the featured notebooks. If I need to reverse that and bring them back, I can just go into my AdBlock options, go to Customize on the left-hand menu, and in Manually Edit Filters, I click Edit and just delete the line relating to NotebookLM. I have to hit Save. I can close that down. Now when I refresh, the featured notebooks are back. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel.